Hello everyone, and welcome to this Pi Network presentation. My name is Jason Fernandez, and I am excited to be your presenter today. Before we start, I'd like to ask everyone to turn off the sounds on their gadgets and put them away, so we can fully focus on the presentation. We all know how distracting notifications and messages can be, and I want to make sure we can all give our undivided attention to the information I'm about to share with you. What is Pi? Pi is a new cryptocurrency for and by everyday people that you can mine or earn from your phone. Cryptocurrencies are new form of digital money that are maintained and secured by a community instead of by governments or banks. Today you can mine or earn Pi by helping to secure the currency and by growing Pi's trusted network. While most cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin have been very hard for everyday people to use and access, Pi puts the power of cryptocurrency into the palm of your hand. Is this real? Is Pi a scam? Disclaimer: Pi is not free money. It is a long-term project whose success depends on the collective contributions of its members. Pi is dedicated to helping everyday people capture more economic value that today goes to banks, technology giants, for example, Facebook, Amazon, and other intermediaries. Pi depends on the collective contributions of its members. If you are looking for quick money, look elsewhere. Pi is not a scam. It is a genuine effort by a team of Stanford graduates to give everyday people greater access to cryptocurrency. Pi's core team is led by 2 Stanford PhDs and 35-plus core team members globally, from Pi's headquarters in Silicon Valley to across the United States, Europe, and Asia. The Pi core team has global reach, all of whom helped build Stanford's blockchain community. These is the founders of Pi Network. First is Dr. Nicholas Kokalis, head of the technology. As a PhD holder from Stanford and an instructor of the first-ever decentralized applications course at the prestigious institution, he has been able to merge distributed systems and human-computer interaction in order to democratize access to cryptocurrencies for the masses. Through his work, he has strived to make the world of digital currencies more accessible and user-friendly, bringing the benefits of decentralized finance to everyday people. Second is Dr. Chengdiao Fan, wife of Dr. Nicholas Kokalis, head of the product. Her doctoral degree from Stanford University is in computational anthropology, which involves using computational methods and techniques to study human behavior and society. Specifically, she is interested in leveraging social computing to unlock the full potential of humanity on a global scale. This entails designing and implementing innovative software tools and algorithms that enable individuals and communities to connect, collaborate, and share knowledge and resources more effectively. Through her research, she aims to address pressing social issues such as inequality and poverty. By harnessing the power of social computing, she can create a more inclusive and equitable world where everyone has the opportunity to thrive and achieve their full potential. 3 established venture capital firms who have made significant investments in Pi Network. First is Ulu Ventures, based in Silicon Valley. Ulu Ventures is a seed-stage venture capital firm that invests in companies with transformative technologies and innovative business models. Their investment portfolio includes notable companies such as Tala, Lumity, and Reflection Medical. For the legitimacy of the data gathered, please refrain from the link provided below and see it for yourself. Second is Designer Fund, based in San Francisco. It is a venture capital firm that focuses on investing in design-driven companies. They believe that design is a key driver of innovation and growth, and their investment portfolio includes companies such as Airbnb, Gusto, and Path AI. For the legitimacy of the data gathered, please refrain from the link provided below and see it for yourself. And lastly, 137 Ventures is a growth-stage venture capital firm that provides customized financing solutions to rapidly scaling companies. Their investment portfolio includes companies such as Dropbox, Wish, and SoFi. They have also invested in several cryptocurrency and blockchain startups, demonstrating their interest in emerging technologies. For the legitimacy of the data gathered, please refrain from the link provided below and see it for yourself. Together, these 3 venture capital firms have invested in Pi Network, a cryptocurrency project that aims to create a more inclusive and decentralized global financial system. Pi Network has over 45+ million users worldwide and has recently launched its enclosed mainnet, which is a major milestone towards its open mainnet launch. This real-time data demonstrates the potential of Pi Network to disrupt the traditional financial system and create new opportunities for individuals and communities around the world. Pi Network is well-positioned to achieve its mission of creating a more equitable and decentralized financial system that empowers individuals and communities worldwide. How does this app work? How do I earn more Pi coins? This app allows you to earn Pi coins by making simple contributions to Pi's community. The more you contribute, the more Pi you earn. To start earning Pi, check in every 24 hours and hit the lightning button to start mining. Once you join Pi Network, you automatically gain 1 Pi after registration. Once you are mining, you can boost your hourly rate by inviting trusted friends and family to join the community using your invitation code. As a pioneer, the hourly rate, base mining rate, is dynamically computed based on how much pioneers overall are currently mining and the total available Pi left to distribute. What is the ambassador role? How does the earning team work? As an ambassador, you earn up to a 25% bonus on your base mining rate for each person you invite to the network. Let's say you have invited 18 pioneers. Your earning team has 19 members including your inviter, and you have only 5 active from 19 members who participate in mining. The computation would be this: the number of active miners times 25% times the total contributor's hourly rate and the pioneer's hourly rate or base mining rate. That is the total of your hourly rate per hour as shown on the presentation. What is the contributor role? How do I become a contributor? Becoming a contributor allows you to earn more Pi by building a security circle of 3 to 5 trusted members. Pi's contributor role becomes unlocked for users after you've finished 3 mining sessions as a pioneer. After 3 days of mining, you will see a new icon of the security circle on the home screen of the app, which you can click to start. To become a contributor, you need to add 5 people who you trust to your security circle. What are security circles? Security circles are groups of 3 to 5 trusted people built by each of Pi's members. Security circles secure the currency by building a global trust graph that prevents bad actors from executing fraudulent transactions. While cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin secure their ledgers by forcing miners to burn energy, proof of work, Pi secures its ledger when its members vouch for each other as trustworthy. Pi's contributors vouch for each other by building security circles comprised of 3 to 5 members they deem as trustworthy. Security circles should be comprised of people you trust, not to execute fraudulent transactions. The network's security circles form a global trust graph that determines who can be trusted to execute transactions on Pi's ledger. Let's say I have 5 members of security circle from my earning team. The computation will be this: the number of members on your security circle times 0.02 is equal to, as you can see in the presentation. As simple as that. What is Pi's global trust graph? A global trust graph is a data structure that is commonly used in decentralized systems, especially in blockchain-based applications. It is a network of nodes that represent users and their interactions with each other, with the connections between these nodes representing the level of trust that exists between them. In a global trust graph, each user is represented by a node, and the edges between the nodes represent the trust relationships between them. These edges can be weighted to represent the strength of the trust relationship, with stronger relationships having higher weights. The trust relationships in a global trust graph can be established through a variety of means, such as user ratings, reviews, and past transactions. These trust relationships can then be used to make decisions about which users to transact with, as well as to prevent fraudulent activity and other types of malicious behavior. One of the key benefits of a global trust graph is that it can help to create a self-regulating ecosystem where trust is maintained through decentralized consensus. In a traditional system, trust is established through intermediaries, such as banks, governments, and other third-party validators. However, in a decentralized system, Trust is maintained through a distributed network of users who collectively verify and validate each other's transactions. Overall, a global trust graph is a powerful tool for building trust and accountability in decentralized systems, and it is a fundamental concept in blockchain technology. By using a global trust graph, users can transact with confidence, knowing that their interactions are secure, transparent, and trustworthy. How to total the hourly rate from pioneer to ambassador. The computation would be this: pioneer role plus contributor role plus ambassador role. The total is 0.45 per hour, as shown in the presentation. Next is how to compute your total mining rate on a day mining session. Let's say you have 0.45 total mining rate times 24 hours. The total is 10.8 pi, as shown in the presentation. It's impressive, right? If you fail, never give up, because fail means first attempt in learning. Next, if you get no as an answer, remember no means next opportunity. And finally, end is not the end. In fact, end means effort never dies. Bro, growth is painful, change is painful, but nothing is as painful as staying stuck. So change your mindset and adopt as fast as you can.
Cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology are not just about financial transactions, but about fundamentally changing the way we interact with each other in the digital age. They offer us an unprecedented opportunity to create trust, transparency, and accountability in a world where these qualities are often sorely lacking. However, with great power comes great responsibility. As we continue to explore the possibilities of blockchain and cryptocurrency, we must also grapple with complex questions of ethics, governance, and social impact. We must ensure that our systems are designed to prioritize the needs and aspirations of all people, not just a privileged few. So, let us approach this technology with both curiosity and caution, with a willingness to experiment and innovate, but also a deep commitment to fairness and justice. Let us work together to create a future where blockchain and cryptocurrency are tools for liberation, rather than instruments of oppression. Thank you for your attention, and I look forward to continuing this conversation with you in the future.